Hi everyone, this is Nabila with Creator LMS, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add professional certificates in Creator LMS so that you can reward your students with that, and they can share that certificates into their social media accounts and in their professional CVs so that you can have the word of mouth from there as well. So let's get started. To create the certificates, you have to go to Creator LMS and then you can navigate to the certificates option. Now, as you can see, I don't have any certificates here created. So I'm going to go to the Add Certificate option here. Now you can see that I have some pre-built templates. So this is something that I'm liking. So I'm going to use this template. Now, you can see that I have options to change the color. So for example, I want to use this certificate for digital marketing certification. Now you can change the title from here. Now this is the title of this specific place. So now you can change this text however you want. This is the basic one. Now this certificate is presented to. If you want, you can change this text as well. So if you want, you can remove this as well. This is responsive, so this won't disturb any of the designs. Now this recognition, let's say I'm changing certificate to recognition, is presented to. Now here, name, surname, this will vary to students since not all the students have the same name. So this is not something you can edit, but you can go ahead and change the color. For example, I want to change the color to this. Now I can easily do that. Then I can add the signature here. So if you don't have a director, maybe you can change this to teacher, or maybe manager if this is a professional workplace, and that's it. And you can change the certificate name to here in recognition to completing the course name. You can change the slug from here. This will be dependent on the slug, and maybe remarkable performance, maybe the dedication to completing the course. You can edit the text however you want. And lastly, you can change the director's signature. Now if you have an existing signature, you can just go ahead and add it here. Now the main thing is the basic editing is very easy. You can edit it however you want. The date will be dependent on the person. When they're completing the course, the date will be updated automatically. You can assign these certificates to specific courses. Now you can do this from the course as well, but I'm going to show you how to do that from here. So if I click on the courses option here, you can see that you can select courses. So let's say I have a digital marketing course. So I'm going to select this. You can assign the same certificate to multiple courses as well. So for example, I have a Python course, so I can add that here as well. So you can add the same certificate to multiple courses or multiple certificates to multiple courses. It's up to you. It's very easy. It's so straightforward. You can just go ahead and update it, and that's it. Now, if you want more certificates to be added to our Creator LMS, please suggest us how we can add it, or if you have more suggestions on how to improve this feature, feel free to comment. I'm going to answer your questions and respond to your suggestions. Thank you. Take care. I'll see you in my next video.